Hey everyone, my name is Cruz Sanchez and I'm the Vice President here at TrueCoders, and today I'm going to give you a brief synopsis of front-end versus back-end programming, and this is going to help you better choose if you want to do our software engineering or our web development course. So back-end is going to be more of the logical, the processing side of things. That's where a lot of your data structures and algorithms are going to come from. And what it does is it's all of the things that make the program work behind the scenes. So in our software engineering class, the back-end course, what we're going to do is we're going to spend probably around 4 to 5 weeks on back-end programming with C#. And then we're going to connect a MySQL database to our C# applications. And that's probably going to take about another week. And then when we get done with that, we're going to spend probably 1 to 2 weeks on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So that way we do get some of that front-end programming added to the course. And then we're going to tie it all together with ASP.NET to make a full stack application on the web. So I know a lot of people have questions on, which one do I choose based on what is more likely to get me hired, which one's more in demand, how much money am I going to make with one versus the other? And really the truth is that they're interchangeable almost. You're going to make the same amount of money if you choose the web development or the software engineering class. What really matters and what you really need to make your decision on is which one you think you're going to enjoy the most. And so now I'm going to pass it over to Ben Bryant. He is our front-end web developer instructor here. So yeah, take it away, Ben.
So front-end development is everything that the user interacts with. If you think about a web page, you can click on a button, something happens. You can put your information into a form and click submit, and it either sends that information somewhere or does something extra with that information. Or you can drag an element to a place, or you can resize an element. A lot of that has to do with front-end development, anything the user interacts with. So within front-end development, we will use certain tools, we will use certain languages as well to create an experience for the user. Some of those will be HTML, CSS, and JavaScript at the core, but there's others like React or Vue or Angular as well that are also going to be used on the front end. So here at TrueCoders, in the full stack web development class, we will start with front end, things like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then we'll move into React. After the front end, we talk about databases and then move to back end to actually fulfill that full stack education. For the full stack software engineering class, it'll be the opposite. So we'll start with C# on the back end, then we will talk about databases, and then we will move into ASP.NET, HTML, CSS, JavaScript on the front end. All right, and that is, in a nutshell, what front end development looks like. So Cruz, I'll send it back to you.
So thanks for joining us for this short, brief introduction to front end versus back end. Hopefully this gives you a better understanding of which course might be the perfect one for you.